Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will demonstrate how to show only cash on delivery or any payment methods for specific collections using the collections condition in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. For this example, we will skip the Describe the rule you want to create box and use Search and Select Combination manually. Let's find the Collections condition. Then click on Select this combinations where it exists. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select Collections. We choose If Not Found Alone and set Bare Collection. Then set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. We will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list, so we will simply write the payment name manually, like Alipay, and click on Add Alipay option. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the Cash on Delivery and Alipay will be only shown if any customer adds Bare Collection products alone in their cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay are visible because customers add Bare Collection products alone in the cart. Now let's add another collection product in the cart and check again. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!